Welcome to this KnowledgeSmart support video where we will quickly discuss the KnowledgeSmart API. So you might have the need to integrate the KnowledgeSmart tools with another company system, or you might be using the direct integration between KnowledgeSmart and Pinnacle series from Eagle Point Software. Let's review where you can obtain your API key. So under the Accounts menu and your Accounts submenu, you can of course review a list of accounts under your KnowledgeSmart profile. Notice that there is a show area here under this API key column. And if I select that, then my API key for that specific account will be displayed. You can then do a Control-C just to copy that and paste it so that you can record that key to then use to connect to other platforms or perhaps to Pinnacle series. So each account will have a unique API key. The other area that will be useful for you is our help guide or resource guide around API calls. We have created a series of automated processes and API calls which can simplify and speed up the exchange of key data across platforms, for example HR systems, LMS systems and e-learning platforms. So here you will find a list of the 10 most used API calls. If you need any further assistance with regards to integration, please feel free to reach out to us via our support help desk.